So hello friends, this is Anil from Tech to Heights and welcome to the first episode of Does It Work? And let me further begin, let me tell you that I came live every Sunday at 6:30 PM. So without wasting any further time, let us just begin our series, Does It Work? So let us just begin, but first let me tell you about the pros of this thing. So the advantages is that you get 3 ports, 2 normal USB 2.0 ports. Here you get a micro SD card, a normal M2 card, a MMC card, and here you get MS Pro Duo card. So you can apply all 4 types of cards, and as well as you get 3 ports, 3 USB 2.0 ports. On the back there is nothing, on the sides they are left untouched. Now let us just came to the disadvantages. So the only disadvantage I found is that the wire is very small and sometimes I had problems connecting with my PC. But it gets your work done if you connect with your laptop. Talking about the speeds, I get very good speeds and they are really good. Now coming to the haptic feedback, yes, sometimes I got haptic feedback, but sometimes this thing looks very cheap. For example, let me connect it to a power port. Here is my power bank and let me just connect it to my power port, and as you can see it is not lighting up. This is charging this thing, so maybe there are some issues with this thing. As you can see, this is very loose. This is very loose, really, this is very loose, as you can see. Probably this would be defect in my piece, but I had facing this issues and I had already replaced it once, so I cannot replace again. But it gives that haptic feedback when this lights up, but the thing is that this is loose, so it can remove anytime. So now if you are thinking about the lightning, yes, I had ordered lightning for you so that you will get no more brownie videos, and soon I will be reviewing this also. Now coming to the point. So all I wanted to say is that these ports feel smooth while applying and removing the pen drive? Means as we are buying a USB hub, this port shouldn't be harsh. So here is the pen drive itself, as you can see, and this is an OTG pen drive. Let us just connect. As you can see, very smoothly it connected, and again let us just see, very smoothly it connected. Now let us just remove this thing. A little bit of you have to apply force, but that's great, in case if you just fall down, so pen drive will not remove. So this is a good thing, but it shouldn't be too loose while you remove this. It should be a little bit tough, but it shouldn't be not too loose, not too harsh. So according to me, this is really great. This thing, yes, you should buy this. Yes, this thing worth the price of 150 rupees or 200 and 250 rupees. Links will be again in the description box below. But the only disadvantage with this is that very small wire and a little bit of loose wire. So in case if you are using with a laptop, so this will work definitely very good. And yes, this thing works in terms of my condition. So thanks guys, this is Anil from Tech to Heights, and I hope that you like the video. In case you like the video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and comment on your thoughts and whatever, if you want to comment anything. And don't forget, every Sunday I came live at 6:30 PM, so you can ask any question regarding personal tech or whatever. Till then, now bye bye, tata. This is Anil from Tech to Heights, and I hope to see you in my next video.